Hey guys, welcome back to, I guess, my account. I totally forgot my YouTube account. I've been checking a long time. So I haven't uploaded in such a long time. I'm here back. Well, not with a fishing video. Well, sort of, yes. So this is the Zebco protégée, I would call it, bait caster reel. I got this at my local fishing stop. It's Angling Sports. Go check out their website, anglingsports.com. They have a wide variety of reels, rods, combos, baits, soft baits, soft plastics, and much more. I'm not sponsored by them. Not yet. No, I'm joking, I'm not sponsored. So, I'm trying out the Zebco protégée bait casting reel. This is a super nice reel for beginners. I just have a 15-pound monofilament on there. It's a nice, forgot how long the rod was, but yes, it's a nice combo. And yeah, so a little bit features this thing. This is a braking system, and if you take it off, there's an internal braking system. Then flip it to the other side. Here is the tension. This is how fast the line goes out and how fast the spool goes. And if you tighten it, that's how low it goes. Right now I have on a high setting, so because I'm just beginning. It's my first bait casting reel I have. So yeah, I love it. It's a super nice rod. I haven't been going fishing today, but overall, it's such a nice rod and reel combo setup. I got it at my local fishing stop. This is Angling Sports. Go check out their website, anglingsports.com. And the funny thing is, my teacher, y'all may know him if you go to my school, but I'm not naming my school. So my teacher's brother owns a shop, and my teacher's brother, who owns the shop, actually taught me for a little bit. He was the boys' basketball coach. So that is how I know him. I got little lessons on how to use it, and overall, it's such a good reel. First bait caster. So nice. Okay, so this is the review. If you guys want to see more fishing, bait, soft plastic review, comment down below, and see you guys on the next vid. Peace out.